Hey, welcome back! In this video, I will be making 3 acrylic paint pouring sunset landscapes. I will list all items I will be using in the description box below. Please let me know if you have any questions and what you think about this video in the comment box below. I am filling some 3-ounce Dixie cups with acrylic paint colors that I have pre-mixed with my pouring medium. As I fill the cups, I am alternating between colors to create layers of color. 2 of the Dixie cups I am filling with dark sky colors, purple, blue, and pink. 2 more Dixie cups I am filling with bright sky colors, red, orange, and yellow. And finally, 2 more Dixie cups I am filling with desert ground colors, brown, deep dark brown, and a vanilla color. Once my cups are full, I will place them in the color order that I want along the side of the canvas. I will pick up the cups one at a time and give them a flip on the top of the canvas. As you can see, I am doing an excellent job at making a mess. I started placing my cups too close to the top edge of the canvas and a lot of the paint spilt out. As I start to drag the paint cup down the canvases, I am having a hard time getting the paint across to the bottom. It is hard to go over all 3 edges as I drag the cup. This is definitely not as easy as with a single canvas. Since my dark sky colors are on my table instead of my canvas, I am filling up another cup to flip and drag. Now it is time to tilt. One thing I learned from this was to make sure to pull the canvas away from each other. As I was tilting, the paint was starting to drip onto the next canvas. When I separated the canvases, it was no longer a problem. Can you see the paint pooling on top of the canvas? This is because these canvases do have a sag to them. I didn't think it would be a problem, but now that I'm working with them, I see that it is. I should have sprayed some water on the back of these canvases and let them dry before I started to paint. This would have pulled the canvas tight and I would not have had a problem with the sagging. I added more paint as needed, especially in the dark sky area, where I thought it needed a bit more pink to brighten it up. To get a landscape effect, I was making sure I was tilting from side to side. This helped create the lines in the sand and the beautiful lines in the sky. I did take my time while tilting these canvases to make sure I got the effects I wanted. This video is sped up so you can see my process a little quicker. In reality, it took me about 40 minutes to work on this part of the project. After I tilted my canvases, I made sure that the sides and corners are covered with paint and I let them dry. These canvases turned out beautiful. I love the effects in the sky and the sand, but as you can see, they stuck pretty well to my Dixie cup holders. Because I left them to dry thoroughly, the paper Dixie cups left an imprint on the back. For me, this is no big deal because it is the back of the canvas and will not be seen when hung on a wall. But for some artists, they don't like the messy backs. To prevent this, I could have covered my back of the canvas with frog tape. That way, the cups would have stuck to the tape and not the canvas, and the backside would have looked much cleaner. To complete my desert landscape theme, I decided to paint some cactus on each one. I used a black paint pen to outline each of the areas, and then I filled in with color as needed. I love how these turned out. I am so happy with them. Please let me know what you think about this project in the comment box below. Thank you for creating this with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye!